So if you're feeling that whole wired but tired, fatigued, feeling low, feeling that low mood, that, you know, I'm not feeling energetic enough, it probably has a lot to do with your diet. What we do is we think that roti is fine. We eat a lot of grains, we eat a lot of maida. We think that it's fine just because it's vegetarian, right? But no, gluten is associated and is inflammatory in nature. So if you're going to be eating something, choose foods that don't cause so much inflammation in your belly, that don't make you feel bloated, because honestly your gut brain axis, it's linked. It's called the enteric nervous system. So your gut brain axis, it keeps communicating with each other. So if you're going to be feeling bloated in your stomach, you're not likely going to be feeling okay in your head. So start with like nutrition first approach. So for example, I'm having this gluten-free cake with no refined sugar, and it's made with almond flour. So I've just swapped having wheat with almond flour instead. And what that does for me is that I'm not feeling that whole bloated sensation, that entire fatigue that comes along, with it. I'm even planning to like go off rice, because I feel that you should go off anything that makes you feel, lethargic, lazy, low, and keep a record of it, like journal about it. Day one, I felt like this with this food. Day two, day three, day four. That way, you can even track your pattern as to like, what could be the denominator, the common denominator in all these days that could be contributing to, something which is fixable, which is reversible, which can be changed easily, instead of like thinking the worst, thinking that you're a depressed person or thinking that you're an anxious person. Maybe the food that you're eating, something in the food that you're eating, is causing that inflammation. And it's been recorded by so many celebrities, including Vidya Balan, that how a low inflammatory diet actually changed her. It completely changed how she's feeling mentally, and she's glowing. And this is what I'm eating. This is like that fudge cake that I'm eating, and it honestly tastes amazing. We have to have second nature. We have to acquire that in workplaces. That way we can acquire a second nature for the kind of food that we're eating. Because if you're going to be eating a high inflammatory diet, you're not going to be feeling on top of your life at that point.